Okay guys, welcome once again to this channel. Nice to have you guys once again. Remember to subscribe for further details on updates on other things that you are not aware that is happening in the crypto space. Okay, today we'll be looking at another blockchain that is playing wave on the internet right now, on the crypto space entirely. This blockchain is not new, but to a lot of people is new, and money is moving to the blockchain as I'm speaking with you in this moment. And it's also be a privilege if you can tap in and make your own money before they were moving. So today we'll be looking at Argo blockchain. Now we know Trust Wallet work for Binance blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, other blockchain. As we also know, every of these blockchain have their own wallet that is more capable with them. But in the case of Argo here, the only wallet that is more capable with them is that when you are running a smart contract on them, you need this wallet. It's called what you join is an extension wallet. You have to type it on your Google. You type it wallet.myargo.com. Once you type it, automatically it's going to pump up. Once it pump up, you accept the terms and condition. You click create account. Please ensure you pen down your 25 phrase words. Ensure you write down the 25 phrase words. Safety, somewhere secure and safe. Haven't done that, you click create wallet, whatever step you follow it until you get to bring it to this stage. Once you create wallet, automatically after you create the wallet finish, it's going to bring it to this stage. Now, here is it. If you are looking for your Argo wallet address, this is your Argo wallet address. It's a wallet. I named this wallet as VicMark. For you to copy your Argo wallet address, you just need to click on this box here, this guy here. You can see, copied. We have successfully copied our wallet address. That is, what is the sense of copy this wallet address? It's for you to receive Argo from somewhere next, or from someone, or from an exchange. Now, after you copy the wallet, you get your wallet address, you go to your Binance, to any of your favorite exchange, you buy your Argo, you send it, it's going to reflect on your balance here. Now, let's assume you have 5 Argo in your balance. Now, the next thing you are going to do, we all know Pancake is like the Uniswap of the BSC blockchain. While Uniswap is the king of war, or the death in the Ethereum blockchain, or the hammer in the Ethereum blockchain. Now, it's the same way we have another one here on the Argo blockchain. This is called the Tinyma. Tinyma, that is the name of the exchange. They are just like the Pancake of the Argo, and they are like the Uniswap of the Argo that you know. But other desks will be coming up in later, but this is the one that we are using presently. So once you type on your Google here, app.tinyma.ong, please ensure this link is correct in order not to lose your phone. Then you are read the terms and conditions, use at your own risk, do your research, normal thing with cryptocurrency. Now, once you type it, it's going to open on like this, and it's going to say something. Say you are using what? The 10 mainnet version. Please be careful while making any wall swap or pool transaction. What are pool transactions? You provide liquidity to earn dividend. It's just like when you move your money to bank, you save it, you get a commission. So that is the sense of pool. But swapping is the art of buying and selling of coins in order to generate revenue to take care of your family, yourself, your life. So what we are going to do right now. Now, bear in mind that we have created our Argo wallet. The Argo wallet is 400. Then the next thing that you go to this app.tinyma.ong, then you click connect wallet. Once you click connect wallet, it's going to suggest 3 wallets. I prefer this center one. That is one I prefer. It's more sweet and stable. My Argo wallet, you click on it. Remember, that is the one we did a few minutes ago. That one, that my wallet.argo. You see it now? It's going to link the wallet to the exchange now. It now just to enter your password. My password is already safe. I click connect. Now it's coming up. Connect to this wallet. You now say select the wallet account you wish to connect. You select the account here. Then you click on the wallet, which is the VicMark. You click connect. Now asking for access. Now it has successfully connected. You say you need to option in your account to this tiny app. You need to what? You only need to do this once per transactions. What this means that in the Argo and in the Solana blockchain, for you to add a new coin to your account, you need to pay for what? A transaction fee as a mining fee to add that access. So it's because I'm observing insufficient balance, I can't continue with this. You get it? I can't continue with it. But I wish I was having enough. I was having one Ago. Once I just click there and I click connect, automatically connect like this. Automatically it's going to connect to my Ago wallet and it's going to allow me to perform transactions. Now you can see it because what? Balance access. So what now? Sorry guys. So what I'm trying to say is that okay, now we are back. So what I'm trying to say is that now it's coming up. Sorry for that error. Now let's assume your Ago is funded. Once your Ago is funded, you see this Agorat, this one here is going to show you the balance you have, and for you to select a token, in the smart contract, in the Binance or Ethereum smart chain, what you need to add a coin, you need a CA, but in the Ago we call it ASA. ASA, asset standard numbers. So what we do is that once you have you come here under select a token, you click here, you can see the tokens here. You can see the ASA that I was talking about. See more. Let's click see more. You can see their numbers. Every coin have their number. You can see the number 3 whatever, 2 whatever. So that is just it. So let's assume you want to buy a coin that you do know. Let's assume you want to buy Shiba. Let's assume you want to buy Akita. You just type Akita here, Akita. Then if you cannot find the Akita, after you click on add on verify assets. Click here. It's going to load up unverified assets. Unverified assets are those assets that are yet to be verified by the miners or by the team behind the blockchains. But verified assets are those assets that already applied for verification. You can see Akita Inu token. So you just click on Akita Inu here, then you put the amount of Ago you want to buy with, let's say 4 for instance. In return, it's going to tell you that we are going to get 1,449 Naira Akita token. So what you just need is that if you have the fund, you click on it, you swap it, and then once you swap it, that is all. And again, for you to find out what people are buying, what people are selling, you click on the analyst. Once you click here, it's going to tell you what people are buying. This is the liquidity that is presently. Now, this is asset that is running presently. Now, you can see the transaction. Now, it's going to tell you, okay, this is what people are buying right now on the blockchain. You can see it now. To say is that this is one of the hottest blockchain that you should not miss out. You can see what people are buying. So watch out for more video. One love. Do not forget to subscribe. We love you.